roots, and you must be having some memories. I just wanted to know, whenever you come to Hyderabad, some clicks or some sparks comes when you're going for Hyderabad, some old memories refresh yourself.
Yes, I mean, I've been coming to Hyderabad since the 80s.
Hmm.
So I've worked with a lot of wonderful producers here. Rajendra Prasad ji and Anjan Nehru Saab. A lot of people from here, and I always have the most amazing memories of Hyderabad. And आपका हैदराबाद का खाना तो वाह is the best.
Okay. So
Is the
how this journey is starting, this Telugu cinema, now, पहले Bollywood का pressure था, अब हो गया है Tollywood, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema, how your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था द पैशन द ड्राइव मतलब दे वांटेड टू मेक द बेस्ट दैट इज़ व्हाट आई लव अबाउट वर्किंग हियर इन द साउथ आई मीन क्योंकि दैट मास दैट कनेक्शन विद द ऑडियंस अभी तक गया नहीं है एंड is the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie, we can have it because we loved your last that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean, dialogue or something, or a Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का. We love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब कि साहब ये सर है कंप्लेंट लिखो बॉडी ने मेरी अभी तक
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
You know what? I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने प्रोमो देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said, people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How it's going on?
It's beautiful.
Is he
He's-
making you eat? Because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah. And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great, great.